This is going to be today's video review for Friday, April the 1st for Drummond Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. So today in the market, we looked at the June S&P futures as we normally do, and we looked at a couple of significant levels here, 47 and a quarter, 49 and a half. We were looking for bulls above 49 and a half and bears below 47 and a quarter. We have some significant levels down here. Notice we've got a daily valley here at about 32 and a quarter, and we've also got a daily crest at 38 and a half. And when this happens, you can see them drawn. This is a crest right here from the daily. This is a valley for the daily. So this area right in through here, over here, this crest of resistance temporarily held, but this solid white midline, this is the crowd energy of the daily, pushing price higher. So when we come back down to this pink line, which was previously resistance, it's going to be now support. Plus, we have a valley placed here from the energy that was put into the market from this crowd point right here. So these are very significant energy points in this area that I'm pointing to in the green block. This is a very important area to be looking for a reversal up out of. So let's have a look at our intraday trading charts. So you'll see here on the left chart where these two down white arrows are pointing, price is returning back to the block. And it's associating with those two levels that we just looked at on the daily chart. The other one is down here at about 32 half. Right in about here. So we're in this area, and you can see the block is not having an effect. You can see the block pushes down, the green holds, pushes down, the same green holds. So when we look to our trade chart, this is the first white down arrow. You can see, and this is the second white down arrow. There's a difference between this green racing stripe here. Notice how the green is not overlapping the yellow here, whereas the green is overlapping the yellow here. That's what we call termination. So picking the bottom here where this left up red arrow is was very, very prudent because you're hiding behind two energy bands with a very, very small stop. So this is very, very significant for us. When we're down here, which is very close to our midline in this crest and valley, acting like support, we're targeting back on up to about 57. This is our daily upper energy band. We've got a weekly level at about 40, we'll just say 49 and a half, and then our weekly up at 57. But on the way, we had many, many setups. Our very first setup would have come in at about 954, right in through here, pulls back into the green. This is what we call strong trend continuation. For this up red arrow. Second one would have been here with this what we call a power mid trade setup, and the next one would have been at about 1017. You can see some profit taking along the way. 1017, this is another one of these power mid setups, and as we popped up, we pulled back. Strong trend continuation pattern, same as before right here. This is at about 1046. About 1056. So we had the termination right here and the signal to get long right there, targeting on up to this this level up here. And a V reversal off the top could have definitely be done. This is about 1140, it's a little bit later, right in through here, back on down into the termination here on the higher chart. As you can see, we flushed down into the termination right here with a very small stop. If you're interested in learning a very simple system that allows you to use your mind in a very relaxed visual way, send an email to jb@drummondenergybands.com. Hope everybody had a great trading week. Thank you.